Welcome to Revalation Vineyards. We're very happy you're here. We hope you enjoy the tasting. We are a small family vineyard. We don't buy grapes, we don't sell grapes. We put everything into our wine. We have a number of tastings. We try to please all types of wine lovers. The tasting room is an 1830 cabin that was relocated from southern part of Virginia. It just fits well into the beautiful Hebron Valley. We also like to support the local art scene, so we exhibit local artists. On Fridays during the summer, we open until sunset, and the sunsets are spectacular. Come and have a picnic, bring your dinner, have a glass of wine, a bottle of wine, and enjoy the sunset.